Hold her up so I can see her face.
Oh, what's the matter? What's the matter?
Hi. Hi.
What's your food supply? You looking at your food supply? The food chain? Is that the food chain? Is that the food chain? What? What are you talking? Are you pooping? What are you doing?
Aww.
Bottle?
I think it's important to
You want a bottle?
contextualize that decision. I mean, this is a president who has been a strong environmental president. We have cleaner cars in this country because of this president. We have 55 miles per gallon will be our standard by the year 2025. We have
25. Come on.
no, 2025 is just.
We could all.
It is when you think about the fact that we have to make these.
The fact that we. Excuse me. I have great respect for you, but the fact that we have to do anything by the year 2025 is really pathetic. Really pathetic. I mean, Tom Friedman is here tonight.
Megan, do you like Bill Maher?
When China wants to build something, it's up in 8 months. 2025, we can all do that by then.
But well, hopefully we will not.
I know, but that is crazy, 2025. Those are the goals. I mean, we used to, in World War II,
No.
we did